Hello friends, we're hiking to the volcano, a few hundred meters left. So we are approaching the volcano, the first sighting of the volcano will be right now. And we will see what is going on. Haven't been here now in 4 days, no, I was on 27th in the night. Yeah, it's 4th day since I haven't been here. So things changed a little bit, I guess, and we will see what happened. I see a car from morning newspaper, Morgan Bloody here. We are approaching the volcano, and now you will see the cone. Yeah, it's shooting lava, and I see lava is flying in the air. So volcano is active, and it's good. So, I don't know how they managed to come here, probably those are scientists, you know. So here you see the volcano right now. Okay, we will find drone of course, and we will film it from very close from the top, a bit away, not much, but fine. Yes, I told you, lava came inside of this valley. It started flooding it, and it seems like it came recently, because last time I was here it was not here. This lava arrived into this valley recently. I told you that it will get flooded, and it's getting flooded slowly. And this is the volcano. I'll just walk a bit further, and then I will go on the top, and I will announce Patreon sponsors. First 9 Patreon sponsors who pledged to support my channel and my work. And so this is the volcano. Today, July 31st, the last month of July. I cannot see the lava lake yet. It's like, looks like it's got more yellow. The activity decreased, but the lava is shooting up. Sometimes it shoots pretty high. Activity slowed down, obviously. Less lava now. I have to get to the top of the mountain to see it from the top and also from the drone. But this is how it looks today. So you see, sometimes you get pretty high jets. Well, then it was big. So this is the volcano today, and you see lava started flooding this valley, this small valley. And this lava came here in the last hours, last days, I don't know. It wasn't here the last time. So, first video from the volcano.